how to fix hacked system issues in Motorola G55. So let's start the video. First of all, open Play Store and then click on your account. Now here you can see the option Play Protect. Now click on it and then scan your apps. After scanning apps, then go back to your Play Store and install Avast antivirus. First of all, install this Avast antivirus and security, and after installing this app, then configure it in your device. So this is the way to fix hacked system issues in Motorola G55. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.